Alright, so we're just gonna be doing a little cleaning on this. I am using paint thinner because it does a good job at removing things. Just dab it. I was planning on painting it, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna paint it. Hopefully you can, nope, you really can't. Hold on, if I do this real quick. There. You might be able to see the changes when I do the bottom end. The bottom end doesn't really matter much if you don't see it, but if I'm cleaning it, I am going to be cleaning it. Just like a little dab of paint thinner. Goes a long ways with removing gas and oil. So the bike will be, yeah. I don't think I've told you guys, but my gas tank exploded. Giant crack. I don't really know why. I even patched it, where the bolts are, like these, the studs on the gas tank. I went around with some JB tank weld. So if there was a crack before, it wouldn't leak on my frame. But let alone, the bolts broke and then gas got in there. I guess it expanded and broke the seal. So that's great, you know. Hopefully you can see the adjustment of this paint thinner doing the job. You should be able to see it right here.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. my world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption.